Are you looking for the best leather repair kits in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best leather repair kits that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 1, 09 Leather Tape Kits. This sausage stuffer is equipped with 2 fill rate system, which is easy to use and quick. It also has 2 speed for a more smooth and quick operation. All parts that contact food directly are reach up to SGS food hygiene standard. There are 4 different diameter S/S nozzles, 2/3 inch, 5/8 inch, 1 1/4 inch and 1-1/2 inch. This stuffer is perfect for those who are looking for a high quality and durable product. The all stainless steel construction ensures that this stuffer will last for a long time. Overall, this is a great sausage stuffer for those who are looking for a durable and easy to use product. At number 2, Furniture Clinic Leather Recoloring Balm. Furniture Clinic's Leather Recoloring Balm is an excellent choice for restoring color to faded and scratched leather. With 16 color choices, it is easy to select the appropriate color to repair leather couches, leather upholstery, or any genuine leather product. Our formula is backed with decades of expertise and the product is more than 50% larger than our competitors. The Leather Recoloring Balm is a versatile product that can be used to repair leather color on leather couches and other leather products. From scratched car seats to faded purses, the balm has many use cases and can be used as a leather repair kit alternative. Our customers use the product to restore color to their faded sofas, to fix small cat scratches, to liven up their antique car seats, and to cover minor peeling on their leather jackets. At number 3, MastaPlasta Instant Self-Adhesive Leather. MastaPlasta is a company that specializes in self-adhesive leather repair patches. These patches can be used to mend holes, rips, burns, or stains in leather, vinyl, suede, and other upholstery fabrics. MastaPlasta also sells a variety of tools and supplies for home repair and crafting. The company was founded in 2009 by a team of passionate individuals who wanted to create a more sustainable and easy-to-use solution for leather repair. Their flagship product, the MastaPlasta 11 inch 8 inches XL leather repair patch, is made from organic, upholstery-quality leather that is stain-resistant and easy to apply. MastaPlasta's patches are a practical, fast, and easy remedy for damaged items that doesn't cost the earth. They are an excellent alternative to expensive repairs or replacements, and they can be used on a variety of different materials. Whether you're repairing your favorite sofa or crafting a new project, MastaPlasta has the perfect solution for you. At number 4, Furniture Leather Max Mega Kit. Are you looking for a way to restore your leather furniture to its original glory? Look no further than Leather Rescue. This easy-to-use kit comes with everything you need to repair and restore your furniture, and it's made in the USA. With its natural finish, Leather Rescue will make your furniture look and feel like new again. It's also backed by a 100% satisfaction and manufacturer guarantee, so you can be sure you're making a wise investment. Don't wait any longer, order your Leather Rescue kit today. We highly recommend this product for anyone looking to restore their leather furniture. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.